It is no longer news that we can use oil alongside shea butter as a sealant. You can use either of these two, right? So here with me I have the Moroccan argan oil, and here I have the popular shea butter. And let me tell you what I think about both of them. Now, when we talk about sealants are basically products that you use to seal in moisture. Just from the name, sealant, seal, right? To seal in the moisture. So take for instance, you spray your water on your hair, right? And you apply your leave-in conditioner, which is a water-based leave-in conditioner, right? Let me show you. It's like this. You apply it on your hair. In order for you not to lose the moisture from your water or from this leave-in conditioner, you need to seal in the moisture. You get what I'm going to? So that is where your oil or your shea butter comes in. So here with me I have the oil alongside the shea butter. So now, some people, they would rather use shea butter to seal in the moisture as opposed to using oil, and it is fine, it is totally okay. But the con that comes from this is the fact that this could be heavy for some people's hair, because shea butter is quite heavy. It's not a lightweight butter, you get. So it can weigh down fine hair. So take for instance, you have finely carved hair and all of that. Your hair, the texture is fine, right? This could be heavy for you. But for oil, there are so many lightweight oils you can use. The jojoba oil and the likes, right? You could use it to seal in moisture. So if you know that shea butter in its own form is quite heavy for your hair, use a lightweight oil to seal in the moisture. Do you understand? Like your jojoba oil, right? But if you know that, shea butter is very fine for you, your hair can, absorb it and all of that, you can use it. Especially those with high porosity, you know that they are very prone to losing moisture very fast. So shea butter will be very good to help seal in the moisture. So either way, you can use either oil or butter to seal in the moisture, right? Don't leave your products, that's your moisturizing products, that's your water and leave-in conditioner, on your hair without sealing it. That's what I want you to take from this video. Always seal in the moisture so that it can do the work on your hair. It will be able to penetrate into your hair shaft and do the work. Because if you just spray water on your hair shaft, it could evaporate, it could dry up, you understand? But when you put like oil serves as a barrier between your hair and the atmosphere, you get. So instead of you losing that moisture, the oil will actually keep the moisture in your hair. So can you see the importance of using a sealant on your hair, right? So either way, shea butter is very great. It helps to keep your hair very soft. It is a natural remedy, obviously, and over time, over the years, people have used it for their hair and it has been tremendous. I, for one, in my 4 years plus of growing my natural hair, shea butter has been a staple in my routine. So you can never go wrong with shea butter, actually. But like I said, if it is too heavy for your hair, you can opt in for lightweight oils, right? So yeah, this is our video for today. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, tell your friends about this page. We need to get to our 4,000 watch hours on time. Like, the clock is ticking. You guys should watch all my videos, binge watch all my videos. If you enjoy this, I know you did, watch all my other videos, right? I'm your favorite hair coach, and I'll see you in my next. Bye guys.
You can bank on it, you can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole, cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.